On the charts here, EGLD has pulled back somewhat from the last few days of solid green candles. We almost hit that previous all-time high of $300, just short of $3 to $5 depending on which exchange you're trading from. I'm going to give you my breakdown of where we're currently at and where we potentially could be heading to on this EGLD chart, and also some latest news on the Maiar DEX that's launching in November. So if this sounds good to you, then continue watching this video till the end to find out more about the Maiar DEX that's been set for launch in November. Welcome guys, it's Crypto-Nelly here. My name is Nelson, and if this video brings value to you or you're new to this channel, then like, subscribe and turn on that bell notification so I can continue to make videos like this for you. Also, a lot of the content haven't been reaching other viewers, so let's help that almighty YouTube algorithm get there by subscribing, commenting and hitting that like button, so then it can help grow this channel by reaching my first goal of 1,000 subscribers. So let's start off the video on a little technical analysis, and then let's move on to some latest news on Elrond. So for my last video, just to summarize, we were trending above this, you could say, ascending triangle or ascending wedge, putting in higher highs and higher lows, which is definitely bullish. We were above all moving averages of the 20, 50 and 100 and the 200 days. EGLD was trending above the 1 Fibonacci, and it looks like it was trying to push up and through that psychological number of $300 and its previous all-time high. It also looked like EGLD was going to follow this bull pennant flag pole towards the $400 if it had pushed through the $300 range. This $300 is now leading to as a resistance on the chart. Then we had the ascending sort of cup and handle formation, which was also playing out as shown here as another scenario. I was hoping one of the two would continue to play out, but I think we still need a few more days of data to see if this validates it or not. Now today we have a little bit of a sell-off. As you can see from about there, it went from $280 down to about $215. It's pretty healthy for this sort of movement. At least you could see that it wicked back up quite quickly. That's what you see here with this long skinny candle here. Wicked back up. As I mentioned before, EGLD is that sort of asset that will get brought back up pretty quickly, as the blockchain technology behind it is somewhat far more superior than others in the blockchain space. And now there's this one little trend that is sort of playing out. I've circled it here and over here. After this has played out back in early September, you could see we went from about 160 to approximately all-time highs of $300, which is approximately 82%. I'll just grab that little measuring ruler out and we'll measure that out. So that's about 83%, $137 over 5 days it looks like. This could be happening right now within the next few hours to days or so, I think. So if we were to put in that 80% odd number, we could see EGLD post past possibly $400. So let's have a look. So for about 80 odd percent, I have to move the chart down a bit. Let's try that again. So for about 80 odd percent, we're looking at, let's go further down. It's funny. It will be about $474 to $5, which is pretty good. And so now we're going to look at a few things here. We either move back on this ascending cup and handle formation to the top of the handle part, which will give us approximately $323, or keep playing the bull pennant flag and head towards this flagpole of approximately $400. And finally, the previous 82% move, which we had back in early September. We hopefully this can play out again, which could put us at approximately $442, which would be great for eGold. Okay, so let's now head over to some interesting Elrond news. If we head over to Benjamin Minkel's Twitter page, the man himself, the CEO of Elrond, has put out a tweet. Maiar DEX is launching in November. Now, let's have a look at some interesting replies and responses from the community. You have one, which is a picture of an eagle. So EGLD, eagle, I get it. And then there's another comment, which is a series of moons. It looks like the calendar for November, and they have circled the 19th of November, which in fact is my daughter's birthday, which the moon will be at 100%. So they're probably predicting that's when the launch of the Maiar DEX will be done. So just to summarize on what the Maiar DEX is and what it's going to do. So basically it's been confirmed by Benjamin Minkel, the CEO of Elrond, on his Twitter page that it's launching in November. So basically the testing phase looks like it's been successful with the users on the Maiar test exchange. They have been encouraged to provide feedback through Elrond's test program, the Battle of the Yields, which I mentioned in the previous videos a while ago, where eGold could be earned from testing the exchange out so it can be ready for the full-scale launch of the mainnet. So users of the Maiar wallet can log in and connect to the protocol and use the Maiar's exchange to its full potential with swapping tokens, add liquidity to pools to receive LP tokens and farm yields. Also, there's a little video that I made previously on the Maiar wallet and staking. I'll leave that down in the description area if you want to take a look at it. So just to continue on with what's on this page at the moment, this is Elrond's DeFi 2.0, the era of autonomous banking, a $100 trillion opportunity. Elrond DeFi 2.0 basically is the DeFi exchange that they're trying to release or have been set in concrete for November. Basically, I'm not going to read through the whole lot, but I'll just summarize a little bit for you. At the start, it gives you a bit of history of financing from what it was from before to what it can be now with Elrond's blockchain and its technology. With its high bandwidth, low latency, transparent financial system, decentralized in nature and accessible to anyone, anywhere, basically, with very minimal fee and transaction costs. So this is what Elrond's put together. I'll leave that up there for you to read, as you can find that on the elrond.com website. So back on Benjamin Minkel's page at the Elrond network, dives deeper into the virtual reality metaverse with a virtual headquarters to be featured on the main level of Blocktopia. So if we click into that, this page pops up. Basically, Elrond partnered with Blocktopia. Step into the VR metaverse, learn, earn, play and create in Blocktopia. So it seems like it's a gaming company. So they have started collaboration with Blocktopia, the VR metaverse that aims to become the edutainment hub for all levels of crypto experience. So basically, it's probably a game where you can educate yourself with cryptocurrency and the blockchain technology, and earn the credit as well whilst you're playing it. So basically, it's built as a 21-floor level high-tech tower rising from a decaying world. Blocktopia offers a compelling gateway into crypto for metaverse explorers. Its NFT-based economy allows entrepreneurs to own land and develop it as virtual real estate, with advertising and events that create earning opportunities for users. Sounds pretty cool. So here's what Benjamin Minkel has to say for the Elrond network. The convergence of virtual reality and blockchain offers an unprecedented opportunity for creative expression, adding an immersive digital dimension to interpersonal relationships through the collaboration with Blocktopia. We reaffirm Elrond's strategic focus on being at the forefront of the metaverse revolution. And then this is what Blocktopia's CEO has to say. Our metaverse was built exactly for the kind of vibrant and savvy community that has co-scaled around Elrond's remarkable technology. We are excited to have them present at a prime location in our crypto hub and look forward to learn, have fun and build the future of Blocktopia together. That sounds pretty cool. An actual NFT based game where you can play, learn and earn as well and educate yourself with cryptocurrency. Awesome. And again, on to another post by Benjamin Minkle on Twitter. Build the Web3 applications faster and easier with the Elrond at the Elrond Network Web3 microservices. So internet scale that architecture make your Web3 applications faster and scalable with microservices. So it seems like to me, after reading this, microservices is basically a additional to the dApps on the blockchain network that can help make it faster and scalable, and it helps the on-chain information so that dApps doesn't have to query the blockchain for every request. So basically you can configure this microservice to listen for all the blockchain transactions relevant to your dApps and maintain that specific information in a cache with the help of transaction process and respond to your dApp requests in a very fast and efficient manner. So they've also created this 10-minute video guide to help you with the microservices. It's also a follow-up to the build your first app in 15 minutes, so which means you can get your first Elrond app and with a microservice all learned under in 30 minutes by watching this video. So pretty cool stuff there by Elrond, just making it seamlessly easy for the developer and the user on the blockchain. So now on to the final post of Benjamin Minkle, which is a major one. It says here, major new Elrond mainnet release. So this is the beauty of the last news, is what we're waiting for. New optimized gas model, 23 new features, 12 bug fixes, time to update. So what Lucien Minku, his brother, has said, gas schedule version 4 is here. The cost for several operations have been reduced, increasing the number of complex transactions per block and thus increasing throughput. 23 new features and 12 bug fixes. So what this means is they're reducing the gas fees on the Elrond network, which is pretty awesome, as it's pretty cheap as it is at the moment. I've used it before to make some transactions, and I've sent some EGLD to other people and received EGLD and staked them, and the fees are phenomenally low comparing to other blockchains in the space. So basically, calling all validators, Elrond mainnet upgrade is in progress. The feature goes live on November the 2nd, so look out for that, guys, and you may see some fees reduced when making transactions after that date, I believe. So some very good news there for Elrond, and this is looking pretty good, looking pretty awesome for the release of the DEX as well. So I'm assuming just soon after that it will be the release of the Maiar DEX, which will take us into November sometime. So I look forward to that. So this is pretty much all I have for you guys. A quick little TA with technical analysis on the charts and some little updates and news, especially on the Maiar DEX exchange and the launch and what's going to happen. And that's pretty much I have for you on this video. So what I think is that what sets Elrond apart with the release of the exchange is basically the user experience, which is already there, you know, with its user-friendly wallet from the hero tag, that you could literally send EGLD to another user by just clicking a name rather than a series of numbers and letters. You also had to be sure to be copied and pasted out correctly. As you know, when the token address is incorrect, the user on the other side won't be able to receive it. So with all the other collaborations, it seems like it's a user-friendly for the ordinary user and developer. This is what Elrond's all about. They have the idea to make this transition into the blockchain technology run smoothly between someone who has never touched a mobile phone or device before to the tech savvy individual. So as I mentioned before, guys, the supply of EGLD is sure reducing through staking. So get your EGLD ready, get some, buy it while you can, while it's low, while it's cheap, and make sure you stake it to earn EGLD. Just remember guys, this is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. I make this video just for entertainment and educational purposes only. So please do your own due diligence research before making any informed financial decisions. Please check out my other social media platforms like Twitter, Facebook, Instagram and TikTok for latest videos and updates like this one and other related cryptocurrency and the news. Also, please check down in the description area guys, as there are links for a sign up for the Maiar wallet and get $10 worth of EGLD for your first purchase. Also, other affiliated links with sign up bonuses for some of the exchanges listed there, and other links to get a Ledger Nano S or X to store all your favorite cryptocurrency. As you know, it's safer to store them off exchanges, and you're better off using your own phrase words rather than the exchanges. Also guys, just before I leave, don't forget to please like, comment and subscribe, as this will help out my channel, and in turn it can help me create more videos like this for you again, and help me reach my first goal of 1,000 subscribers. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.